Welcome to day 29. We wish you a Merry Christmas. This is also in 3/4 time. I will give 1, 2, 3, 1, and then we'll come in on the third beat. I'll play the melody and then the harmony. You will notice there is a word that says fine or fine in Italian at the end of the first line. And the second line it says DC al fine, which means the head, da capo al fine, the head to the finish. And if you know the word decapitate, cut off the head, then da capo should be easy to remember. So play from the beginning. When you see DC al fine, jump back to the beginning, and when you see the word fine, we're done, finished. Okay, here we go. Oitin barad, doing barad, Bantani. 1, 2, 3, 1. Harmony. 1, 2, 3, 1. Thanks for playing We Wish You a Merry Christmas with me. As always, when you get to harmony parts, you really need to hear those notes in your head before you play. So if you practice them, the jumps, then it'll be that much easier. As I'm running around playing multiple instruments, I'm not having any time to practice anything, so this is me sight reading everything. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up or accent the like button, and have yourself a merry little Christmas.